Your objective is to compose your own What I Believe poem modeled after Jacqueline Woodson's work, using literary and poetic techniques to describe your own beliefs. If you haven't already completed your Do Now from Tuesday, please go ahead and do that. The Do Now question asks, did the experience of reading Brown Girl Dreaming change your perceptions and opinions about poetry? Why or why not? Please write 2 to 3 complete and thoughtful sentences. If you need to complete your Do Now, please pause the video here and do so. Next, read Jacqueline Woodson's poem, What I Believe, twice. Highlight 2 or 3 lines that you found particularly meaningful or evocative. You can find the poem on slide 5 of the 3.33 Pear Deck. After you've done so, write a couple of sentences. Why did you choose these lines? What about them is important, meaningful, or beautiful to you? After that, your responsibility will be to brainstorm some ideas about things that are important to you that you believe in. You'll need to brainstorm at least 4 to 5 important places, important times, important people, important things, important ideas and values, and important hobbies and interests in your life. If you'd like to see an example, you can scroll back to slide 6 of the Pear Deck to see Mrs. LaPaglia's work. Then, if you want to see another poem example, you can read Mrs. LaPaglia's poem on slide 7. After you're finished with your brainstorming, your job will be to compose your own What I Believe poem. This poem should be written in the Google Doc that has been assigned to you in Classroom. It's titled What I Believe Poem, and it looks like this. Your poem should be between 150 to 300 words in length. Each line should begin with, I believe. You should use enjambment, meaning continuing a sentence through multiple lines, to craft a visually appealing piece. You should include a mixture of people, places, things, and ideas that are important to you or that you believe in. You can refer back to Jacqueline Woodson's poem, Mrs. LaPaglia's poem, and your brainstorming as you write. If you do come up with new ideas while you're writing, feel free to include them. After your first draft, go back through your poem and revise. Are there places that you can add or substitute more descriptive or interesting words and ideas? Again, be sure to run a spell check and proofread your work before turning it in. If you have questions about the poem, you're stuck, or you need some help, please message your teacher so that we can support you.